Hello and welcome to another Lego haul. This is in a Primark bag, which is what it came in. And this is the first time I'm looking at what I got for £7. A grey base plate. Bit discoloured, but it doesn't matter because I'm using those at the moment. Over there. And another 1, 2, 3, 4 green base plates. Nice. The more base plates, the better, actually. And half plate with some tiles on, and I know why that's on there because in the photo it showed the apple tree house, and whether it's here complete, well, there's quite a lot of it. You see, this is worth it just for the base plates, but these bricks are like a bonus, aren't they? So we've got that. Got part of a police prison vehicle, possible. Police truck. That's another part of the apple tree house. I wonder if it's complete. It might be all in here. And then police boat. Another one that I need to find the instructions for. Should be easy to find. A police 7287 boat. There's all sorts of bits flailing around in there. Another 2 half base plates. I think half of that is from the apple tree house, but I'm not sure. I can't believe it. I can hardly hold in the excitement, actually, because I've just seen Hagrid. I can't believe it. I wasn't expecting a Hagrid minifigure in there. I was just looking at one of those as well. Is that... I thought that was Potter at first. Oh, I'm well chuffed about getting a Hagrid figure. Oh, there's a door. What's that? Don't know. I like the printing though on that top and the belt. That's a cool minifigure, actually. Just need to find a hat or something for it, or hair. What else we got? With the police van. Put that with the van. What's this? Looks pretty cool. I don't know what it quite know. Almost looks like it would be like running away from the police boat or something. Not sure about that. Some sort of boat, anyway. Hey! Oh, wow. It's the guy with the hazmat suit. Oh, yes. I used to have this one. This is a really good minifigure. I wasn't expecting minifigures in this. I'm starting to realise I got more of a bargain than I actually thought. Hello, officer. So I've got a policeman as well. Oh, there's another one. Hey, for the boat, of course. He's got the sailor's hat. Oh, that's good. I like that. Oh, windows. Ketchup and mustard. What's this? This is part of a... What's this? Not sure about that. Looks a bit like it could be a caravan or something. Not sure. More pieces of the apple tree house. Yeah. Oh, it's a caravan. Of course it is. That's part of a caravan. So we might have a caravan in here as well. It's amazing. It's part of a cabin of sorts, I think. Ooh. Oh, that's got to be the front of the caravan. Oh, this is brilliant. This is turning out to be brilliant. I think we have a complete caravan in amongst this, and there's some sort of a smaller hut. Oh, I wonder if Hagrid's hut's in here. Since Hagrid's in here, there seems to be all these different pieces that look a bit like that. I don't actually have Hagrid's hut, so I'm not sure, but I'm starting to think it is. So what I might need to do is find the instructions. Oh, that's a good minifigure. I wonder what she's from. I like that one. That's a cool minifigure. I've not seen it before. There's another policeman for the boat. Oh, he looks angry. I don't think he's the policeman's head anyway. Oh, there's another part of the caravan. Oh, nice. I've nearly got the complete caravan. Who's this? Oh, Mr. Potter. He's got the mark on his head. Never noticed that on the minifigure. How have I never noticed that? It's weird. Yeah, so Mr. Potter is here. What an honour it is. Oh yeah, there's the basketball hoop. That's the basketball hoop for the apple tree house. I recognise that. I used to have that. That's a really good one, actually. Yeah, that's gotta be Hagrid's hut, hasn't it? That's the door. So I've got probably, yeah, this looks like Hagrid's hut pieces. So it looks like I've got Hagrid's hut in here, the apple tree house in here, the caravan. Hopefully. Oh, look. That must be the interior. It's quite a good bench. Yeah, it's got sorts of bits. Don't know if that's part of it. Oh, look. I'm not sure about that hair. Is that supposed to be Hermione? Don't know about that hair, though. There's one of these robber type characters. Oh, Dobby? Dobby, what are you doing in here? I don't think you was in that set, was you? That's strange. Oh, I'm well chuffed with this set. That's from the boat, I think. There's the apple tree house garage door. So we know that's there. Yeah, Hagrid's hut's here. As the more pieces I start seeing, definitely, yeah. Oh, there's a chef. Hello. Oh, he looks good. I think I've got one with a chef hat like that. I like that. God, there's a lot of minifigures in amongst this. There's another two. I like looking for the minifigures in these piles of Lego. It's kind of like you're finding, that's good, isn't it? You're finding something magic. It's another. Oh, I can't seem to focus on him for some reason. But it's another Harry Potter who doesn't focus. Oh, there he is. There you go. Another Harry Potter. Yeah, there's quite a lot of pieces in there. There's another figure. Hey. Oh yeah, it looks like a footballer. The Octon football team. That's cool. Sponsored by Optin anyway. Hey, look. It's Ron. I didn't actually have a Ron. Oh no, I have in the car. I have got a Ron. I haven't got one this young though. Nice one. I think, other than all this Lego that I've got to sort. Strange piece. An engine. Heck's that? I'm not sure what that is. There's a skateboard. Backpack. Front door. Window. There's a surfboard. Oh. Got a surfboard in here. Hey up. Hey, check this guy out. The sailor. Oh wow. He looks good. I thought I found all the minifigures. So, not quite sure how I'm going to do this. I'll probably find instructions for weird top. Is that Lego? Not seen this before. Maybe that's in Hagrid's hut. Yes, I'll probably have to find the instructions for Hagrid's hut and see what I've got or what I haven't got. It looks like I've got a lot anyway. There's definitely a car in here. There's a lawnmower. That's nice. Yeah, so there is all sorts to sort out. That door. That's a cool looking door. Zebra door. Yeah, there's quite a bit to sort out in here, but it looks good from what I can see. What's this? Dinosaur. There's a bit of Jurassic Park stuff in here then as well. Yeah, it's quite a nice mixed bag of Lego. I'm really happy with that actually. Especially if I manage to build, there's another door. If I manage to build Hagrid's hut, I'll be well chuffed. There's quite a lot of pieces in here. But I'm really happy with it anyway for the cost, for all these minifigures. Which Hagrid's a great one, and so's the hazmat guy and the football player. The sailor. It's really cool, isn't it? And then all the base plates. It's a great haul of Lego. I'm really happy. There's another guy, I missed him. He's an older style minifigure, just yellow and blue. I wonder if he's could be another player. No, not sure who he is. It's an old school minifigure. But yeah, I think I've seen it all. But that is a great selection of Lego. So I hope you enjoyed this one, seeing all these little characters appear. And hopefully I can get this in the city, and I'll let you know what happens if Hagrid's hut's complete, or the apple tree house, whether I build it or do something else. And well, the caravan almost looks complete as is, so that actually might have been the door for the caravan. That zebra door. Not sure. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this one. Interesting. Plant. It's an interesting idea for a plant. I've got loads of these green bits. Might be able to do something. Yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching this one, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.